Cucumber and green apple makes an invigorating juice. Today it's 5-star juicing. Yes, it's not only cooking, I do lots of juicing. Today I'll be doing some green apples, cucumber, a little hint of ginger, and lemon. No sugar. The green apple is the sweetener. Apples are rich in fiber, and the cucumbers give an invigorating juice that helps to detoxify our bodies. You can blend this or you can juice. I'm always blending. Here I will be using my juicer to juice this, which I hate to use, but I'll be using it today to show you that I also do juicing, not only cooking and blending. So I dice my apples, my cucumber, and I add them in the juicer. This squeezes out the juice, and for my cucumber, I wash it and the apples, and I make sure the skin is on. Lots of benefit is in the skin, so I left the skin on for the cucumber and also for the green apples. You can add sweetener if you want. Sugar is not our best friend. Sugar, every now and then we can use a little, but the apples should give this flavor and taste. You can drink this in the morning before a meal, or you can drink it as juice throughout the day, however you choose. Cucumber is also good in your water. I try every week to make a cucumber juice for myself. I love cucumbers, especially in juice, and it's really healthy for us. This is what the puree portion of it looks like once it's juiced out. Just wanted to show you that's the area where the strainer is, where it strains every particle, so I don't need to run this through another strainer. It is already strained through this. Once done, I just pour this on a little ice, and I have this just as is. You too should try this. And I've learned, I am not a medical doctor, but I've heard and I've learned that cucumber also helps persons with hypertension. It's a very good and healthy veggie that we can intake. Thank you guys again for stopping by. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. There is no cost. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please remember, on your way in, on your way out, to hit that like button. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned and see you in my next video on Sunday. When you see this video, it will be on Thursday. See you in my next video on Sunday.